Hey everybody, Matthew Moore's Wood Studio. I'm here working on this modern bedside table, and this quick tip is about getting your end grain to have a beautiful finish on it. As if you run your hand over it, it feels like glass. Let's get into it. What I want to do here is get this end grain that's going to be showing to have a beautifully smooth finish. And when I put finish on it, the color of the end grain is going to match the color of the straight grain. So to do this, and to help me get a nice finish here, the one thing I do is I take a rag just like this, I put some water on it, and I wet the end grain. And I come back in with this low angle block plane, and what this does is it makes it easier to come in and plane the grain. So with a low angle block plane and some water on here, I can come in and plane this entire length of the surface. Now I have to be very careful at the end. I kind of skew my plane so I don't chip out this back or this front part here where the plane's coming into. And I come back in, sand this with 220 and then 320 grit paper, and it is just so silky smooth. It's just like putting your hand on a piece of glass. It's that smooth. So once I do get some finish on here, this end grain is going to match the color of the side grain or the straight grain, and that's going to look awesome. So that's it for this quick tip. I hope you liked it. As always, please subscribe to the video, share it with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. If you're watching this on Facebook, hit the like button, share in timeline, and head over to the Wood Studio page and like us there as well. And as always, have a great week in your shop.